Welcome to Product Critique, and today we're reviewing what could be the best case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is the Ruky full body case with a built-in screen protector, designed to offer top-tier protection and an ultra-thin experience. If you're looking for a sleek, shockproof case that doesn't compromise on durability or style, this might just be the perfect choice for your foldable device. Let's dive into the details. The Ruky Galaxy Z FOLD4 case is crafted from a hard polycarbonate material, which is known for its robustness and lightweight feel. It's ultra-thin, meaning it adds minimal bulk to your phone while still providing all-around protection. This case ensures that your phone remains slim and easy to carry around without sacrificing its ability to protect from scratches, drops, and other common hazards. One of the standout features of this case is the built-in screen protector. The polycarbonate front cover integrates a touch-sensitive protector that shields your screen from scratches and cracks. With the Galaxy Z Fold 4's delicate foldable screen, this extra layer of defense gives peace of mind without the need for an additional screen protector. In addition to screen protection, the case offers full body coverage. Its raised edges and reinforced corners provide extra protection to both your device's screen and camera lenses, guarding them from accidental bumps and drops. The case is engineered with precise cutouts that allow easy access to all buttons, ports, and cameras, so you won't have to worry about any functionality being restricted. If you're worried about heat dissipation, the design of this case has been specifically made to allow for airflow, ensuring that your phone won't overheat even during heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the case won't impede your phone's performance. Furthermore, the case supports wireless charging, so you won't have to remove it when charging your Galaxy Z Fold 4. This means convenience is never compromised. Plus, it's incredibly easy to install, so you can get your phone protected in no time. The Ruky Galaxy Z Fold 4 case is a great balance between style, protection, and functionality. With its ultra-thin design, shockproof capability, and built-in screen protector, it's a solid option for anyone looking to keep their foldable phone safe while maintaining that slim, premium feel. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.